To make life easier, people come up with all sorts of strange ideas. Troom Select presents a brand new collection of tips, tricks, and life hacks, which may seem a bit weird at first, but you'll be amazed by how well they work. You can make this fruity and colorful candy stick with the help of an ordinary green apple. Get a 20 milliliter syringe and cut off the tip. Push out the center of the apple with it. Clear out the cylinder and insert it into the apple. Put it in the candle. This fruity fresh candlestick will look great on your dinner table. Does hot tea like to burn your fingers? Let's make an elegant minimalist cup holder. We are going to need a glass and 4 cable ties. Tie 2 cable ties around the glass and make a comfortable handle with the other 2. It's all good, even if you don't have a teacup around. A lemon on a zipper? Sounds weird, right? But today, we are not interested in those boring, ordinary life hacks. So here we go. We'll need a whole lemon and a zipper. Apply some hot glue to the fabric part of the zipper and attach it to the lemon. Unzip it and make a cut in the middle of the lemon. Now we can zip the lemon back if we want to. Unzip the fruit, pour out some juice, zip it up, and put it in the bag. Why? Well, what if you are suddenly in need of some lemon juice? In this next life hack, we'll turn a bottleneck into a multifunctional object, a dish soap dispenser, and a convenient sponge holder. Cut off a plastic bottleneck and attach it to the sponge. Secure the neck with hot glue. Pour some dish soap inside and close the cap. The dishwashing liquid is always in a dedicated container, and the cap makes it very convenient to hold the sponge. It's easier to score some diamonds in Minecraft than to get some ketchup out of those bottles. But we've got a life hack for that too. We'll need an old soap or shower gel dispenser. Don't forget to thoroughly rinse it out. Replace the cap on the ketchup bottle with the soap dispenser. Voila! You don't need to shake that greedy bottle anymore. Just push on the dispenser and get all the sauce you need. Very convenient. Do you want to keep eating that candy as is? Don't answer that. Let's just make a cool candy dispensing machine that looks like a piggy. We'll cut the parts out of cardboard. First, we'll make the bottom part from where we'll be dispensing our candy. Attach a couple of walls and a small groove to a square piece of cardboard. Attach the piece with the opening on top of that. Secure the walls. Now, let's make the dispensing mechanism. Make a lever by gluing together some layers of cardboard. Put in some toothpicks. Glue the small details to the base of the machine. Install the lever by springing some rubber bands onto the toothpicks. Close the setup with a piece with a hole for a control button. You can put in a cardboard funnel or just cut off a plastic bottleneck. Add some felt eyes, ears, cheeks, and hooves. Press on the snout and our candy piggy bank will instantly spit out some delicious candy. It's so hard to resist those unhealthy and delicious potato chips. We've got a special life hack for our chips lovers. Put on a hoodie backwards. Now you have a convenient food pocket. Your hands are free and your favorite snack is always with you. Bon appetit! And if the pack of chips is too big to finish it all in one go, we'll make a nice Munchie dispenser so that they don't spoil. We'll need a pack of wet wipes with a plastic cap. Cut off the cap. Then, cut out a hole of the size of that cap in the chips bag. Stick the cap to the bag with double-sided tape. This nice plastic door will preserve all the crispiness of your chips. Slicing up a banana with a knife? That's too easy for us. Let's see how a grill grid deals with this job. Peel one side of the banana, put it against the grid, and press it in. Wow, it works! The slices fall right onto the plate. Let's increase the difficulty and try to cut a sausage in long slices. We won't go the usual route though. We are going to need a 50 milliliter plastic syringe. Cut off the nozzle. With a soldering iron, make some holes around the syringe. Pass a thin wire through the holes. Make a grid. Cut off the tip of the sausage and place it in the cylinder. Push on the piston and pass the sausage through the metal grid. We get some nice and long slices. How do you safely store your razors? Let's use an ordinary drinking straw. Cut off a piece to fit the blade. Cut the straw lengthwise. Put our protective cover on the blade. The sharp blade is securely covered. And now, let's dry some small clothes with the help of a radiator and a few hangers made of wire. Bend the hangers in half and insert them in between the fins of the radiator. Done! Hang our socks and hats. Do you like doing art or crafts? Then you're pretty familiar with those annoying small paper cutoff. You just can't get them all with your bare hands. We've found a solution. Let's make a mini vacuum cleaner out of a hairdryer. Pull a sock on the nozzle of the hairdryer. Get a plastic bottle. Cut off the top part and hot glue it to the side where the fan is. The fan sucks the air into the hairdryer. The vacuum cleaner is ready to fight those little paper nuisances, and your working area will stay nice and clean. It's a big challenge to get a full bucket of water and not flood the whole house. It seems impossible without a hose, but we've got an idea. Get a piece of foam tubing, attach one end of the tube to the faucet, and place the other end into the bucket. Turn on the pressure. Cool! The water goes straight to the bucket and doesn't sprinkle all over the place. Let's teach you a bartender trick for you to show off at a party. We'll need a bottle of some nice drink. We prefer tea. Make a hole in the cap with a hot glue gun. Insert some straws and secure the seal with hot glue. We get some kind of a spider cap. Put the cap back on the bottle and prepare some paper cups. Push on the walls of the bottle, and the delicious tea pours straight into the multiple cups at the same time. What party life hacks do you know? Is your favorite spiral elastic band all stretched out? We know how to help you. Just pour some boiling water on it. The band shrinks under hot water and regains its initial shape. Look, it holds hair just as good as new. Why suffer trying to get that last little bit of toothpaste out when you can just make a paste dispenser? We are going to need a thoroughly rinsed out liquid soap dispenser. Cut the tube and insert the dispenser. Seal off the gaps with a hot glue gun. A slight push, and the paste is already on the brush. You shouldn't play with fire. To prevent children from playing with fire, we'll use some plastic cable ties. It'll make a nice lighter safeguard. Tie the piezo ignition and cut off the tail of the cable tie. The ignition button is securely fixed and the flame won't light up by accident. Is it pouring tons of rain outside? Grab a piece of food film if you're planning on going out. Wrap the phone in film. The touchscreen works perfectly fine and the phone stays dry. Can you open your nail polish if it's completely sealed shut? You can't do it? Ask someone strong to do it for you. At least we know how to prevent this from happening again. Apply some hygienic lipstick on the bottleneck. Don't be afraid to tightly seal the cap. Opening it won't be a problem anymore. Got gum stuck in your hair? Is there a way to avoid the use of scissors? Well, yes. You shouldn't have panicked. Just use this life hack next time. Simply rinse your hair with Coca-Cola. It makes it much easier to get the gum off, and all of that pretty hair will stay intact. To get rid of limescale on the shower head, we'll use some lemon juice. The deposits hate acid, and lemon juice is pretty acidic. Rub the metal surface with a slice of lemon. The limescale dissolves right in front of our eyes. Got some limescale deposits in the kettle? A bottle of your favorite soda will help you out. Pour a liter of cola into the kettle. Now we need to boil the contents. Turn it on. Pour out the soda and rinse out the kettle with tap water. Let's have a look inside. Beautiful! The soda got rid of all the deposits. Can't reach the candle wick with the lighter? Let's try with a long spaghetti. It burns pretty well, and its length will allow you to reach inside the deepest candlestick. Which life hack did you enjoy the most? The zipped lemon, the hairdryer vacuum cleaner, or the sausage nicer dicer? Leave a comment and let us know. Subscribe to Troom Select. Hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to press on the bell icon to be the first to watch our new video.